What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Moltman episode. It's been a while. It has been a while since I have taken the old jet boat out. We are out on her today, and we're gonna go see if these white bass have started running yet. So it's actually really cold and windy here in Texas. Big fronts moving in tonight, and the wind is started. So hopefully once I get in the river it'll be pretty calm, but let's get going and see if we can find some fish. I gotta put a jacket on. It'll be about a 20-minute run, and then we'll start fishing. Been a while since she's ran. I hope the gas is still alright. And on top of that, she really likes the porpoise when it's just me by myself in the back, so we'll see how this run goes. Alright guys, made it to the first little hole. I may actually pull up to the bank. I don't have a trolling motor on this boat, and I didn't bring an anchor, so I'm gonna slide up on this bank and just fish from the bank for a little while and see if I can get any bites. First one of the day, guys. Nice little chunker. Let's see if we can swing him up in here. There we go. Nice big old white bass. Well, it looks like they are here. Number 2. Another big one. That's a real big one, actually. Take that all day. See if we can do that again. Well, somehow I found these two turds on the river. And there's the turd dad over there. He looks like he's cold.
I know.
So I'm saving them because they only caught one. I got 5 or 6 now, but now we can actually film fishing. We're gonna go upriver a little ways and see if we can find any fish up there.
Oh, I videoed today too.
You did video of video.
What'd you, I mean, is it gonna be on YouTube? Where can they find you?
It's
our friend.
Jeez, Lawson.
Oh my god.
How was the ride down the bank, Lawson?
Rad.
Y'all better sit down because I gotta move.
Put that in there.
Did you just say it was rad? What are you, island boy?
Are you an island boy? I'm an island.
Well, I think we sent her a little too hard, boys.
Huh?
We're beached. I'm gonna try to drag this thing out, and on top of that, I shattered the screen behind this camera. So, great day. Well, I'm the only one that I brought the boat and didn't wear waders, and they came down with waders. So they get the Awesome job of pulling the boat out. We don't have to go far, we just have to get back down. Well, it is kind of far. This way, Hayden. You're almost at a deeper spot. I think we got her. We just gotta get through this little rapid area and this little flat down here, and then we'll be back at catching fish, hopefully. It's funny to see this log out of the water because we catch so many crappie and perch out of that tree. I've never seen the river this low. This is nuts. We gotta get some rain ASAP. Oh, that's a bass.
Is it really?
Oh no. Yeah, it is a bass.
That's crazy.
Good island boy. Alright, let's see if we can catch some more fish. I'd rather not catch regular bass. That's what I just caught.
Can we go help your brother?
Whoa! I hope the camera caught that one. That was inches. There we go. Oh, I missed him. Got one on the fly rod? Heck yeah. Little white bass action. You gonna put it on the stringer? Nice little white.
Where am I supposed to put it?
What do you mean? Hey Lawson, will you bring me another little fishy?
Bring the fishies, the little fishies.
There we go. Oh, little drag puller? Listen to the music. Jeez. That's a chunk.
Stud.
Chunker. Hayden,
It's right there.
you don't want to put it on there?
I'll put it on.
Well, that's gonna wrap it up. It's getting dark, so we got a little pile of fish. Gonna take them home and clean them up. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my camera. I'll put a picture up right now of what it looks like. Pretty devastating, but it'll be all right. That's what the insurance is for, right? So we're gonna make a run back. It's super cold, but we'll be back at the boat ramp in no time. Huh?
Little.
No, it ain't. They ate all the guts out of it already.
Oh.
It's a big pig. What are you talking about? All right, guys, made it home. It is freaking cold here in Texas. Jamie, this one's for you. It's 40 and freezing. But I'm gonna clean these fish up real quick for you guys, and we're gonna eat fresh fish for dinner. So try to do this as quick as possible because my hands are already frozen from washing everything off. So we're just using a regular knife tonight. Take your knife behind the gill plate down, and then these little guys you can just run straight through the ribs. Follow that backbone down just like that. Same thing on this side. Just like that. There's your clean white bass, and then you want to take that meat off the skin. Cut those ribs out. There's not a whole lot of meat on these fish. There's definitely, I would say there's more meat on a 10-inch crappie than there is a 10-inch white bass. Throw those in a bowl. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse, me cleaning these fish, and I'll see you in the kitchen when we get done. Alright guys, so we're going to do a little recipe tonight. As you know, white bass, they're a really good fish. The only way I really like them is fried. Yeah. Hey. Ryder's ready for some fish, but they're not my #1 choice of fish to eat, so we're going to do a recipe that kind of masks. I love eating fish, and it's really good for you. And I love catching fish and cleaning fish and keeping fish that I catch to provide for my family. So we're gonna do a little pasta dish that you can use fish, chicken, shrimp, whatever you want in it. It works good for a lot of different things, but white bass, sand bass, however you want to call them, this is a perfect dish for them. So I got some angel hair pasta cooking up over here. And then I got my bigger pan right here. So basically all we're gonna do is blacken our fish in our pan. And then we are going, once the pasta is done, we're gonna take that fish out, lay it on a plate, put our pasta in there with the sauce, and then lay the fish on top of that. And then you just plate it with whatever fish you want on top of that. So let's get to cooking. So we're gonna give it a good coating of Critter Glitter Fish and Fowl, and I wanted to share some news with y'all as well. We did a little revision on both our Critter Glitter Fish and Fowl and our Critter Glitter Red. So if you've tasted this before or new, it'll be, I'll let you know exactly when, but there's gonna be super minor changes in our spices for the better. We listened to you guys. Some of y'all gave us advice on things we could add or take out of our spices, and we did it, and I honestly think they are a lot better. So I'll let you know when the new spice hits. We're also working on 2 to 3 brand new spices. So as you know, we have Critter Glitter Fish and Fowl, and we have Critter Glitter Red. Those are on the website. Y'all get in the description. So I'm gonna get some butter and oil for this pan, and we're gonna blacken this fish up. We're gonna put a little butter in here. A little olive oil. I'm gonna blacken this fish up. All right guys, so our fish is all cooked up. I'm gonna take our tomato sauce. That'll deglaze the bottom of the pan. Give that a nice little stir. Everything, all those little bits of fish just came up. Go ahead and turn it off, because that's gonna get hot enough. And then our noodles are already cooked. I strained them. We'll add those in. I know y'all love the sound of that scraping. Get that tomato sauce all around. And our pasta. Just like that. Then we're gonna take our fish and lay it on top. Just like that. I'm gonna save some for Ryder on the side. I'm gonna let that cool off for a second, and then we are going to do a taste test. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a little taste test. Get a little pasta and fish going. Let's see what this tastes like. Get a little bite of fish, get some pasta. Get both of them in there, 1 out of 10. So like I said, it masks the flavor pretty good of the taste of the fish, but it's really a good dish. It just tastes like any other white fish in there. You can't really taste the flavor of the actual fish other than the seasoning and then the pasta and the pasta sauce. But I'll give it like a solid 7, 9, 8 for a white bass dish. It's really good. Well guys, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Super easy, simple dish that you can do. Ryder really wants his dinner, so we're gonna end the video here. Wave to him. Wave. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned. We got some cool stuff coming. Hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and remember, eat good.